Hello fellow Clashers, welcome to my channel. This is Clashy Deepesh, and in this video we will talk about how to make your village max very soon, and with some tips and tricks you can make your village max without any purchase in the game. The free to players, you can watch this video till the end. You will get a lot of information to make your village max soon. You can see the ID, the same ID which I am making the video. It was quite bit rushed. It was on Town Hall 15 and the Wizard Tower Cannon was of level Town Hall 13 once, but after 3 months I have Town Hall 16 max account, and also I have upgraded it to Town Hall 17 and take out all the things that is necessary in Town Hall 17. So many people says that, oh, you have purchased a gold pass, so you can definitely make your village max. But after the purchasing of gold pass also many people cannot make the village max, and I will give all the necessary information to max the village fast, and for the free to players and also for the gold pass purchase players. So many people have the theory of maximum loot is equals to maximum village, and I don't believe in this statement, but the maximum number of gems you have, your village got max very soon. So how to get a lots of gems in the Clash of Clans? Later on we will talk how to utilize gems, but right now to get a gems I have divided the gems getting systems in the three different category. First is the purchase of gems, second is selling item, and third is alternative way of getting gems. So I'm not going to discuss about how to purchase the gems, but rather than I will talk about the selling items. You can get gems by selling some of the magical items by purchasing from raid medals, or also you can get the magical items from different events. You can purchase some of the cheapest magical portions, that is training portions, clock tower portions, etcs, and you can sell them on 10 gems. So the alternative way are by cutting trees, playing event, gem box, gem mine, and also you can get from clan game too. So now let's discuss how to utilize the gems. Instead of one tap finish on the upgrade, you can try with builder portion, because in one tap finish you can already use that gems in one things only, but if you try with builder portion, remaining other building also will get 10 into boost for the builder to upgrade it very soon. And remember, if you are using builder portion, then make sure all your builders are busy on their work. You can also use your gems in goblin builder, which will comes in the game in the limited time. If your all the wall is max, then you can try with goblin builder also, but remember, if your wall is not max, then make sure to leave the one builders free, because whenever the loot get full you can utilize one builder for the wall. So these are regarding the gems, and now we will talk about the CWL medals, which will help you to make your village max very soon. So if you have more CWL medals, then your village get max very soon. So how to get a maximum number of medals? First things is, whenever the CWL happens, play in huge level of league, that is on master 1, maybe on champion 1 2 3, and you can try with high level of league, and please stay on that clan where the clan will not be demoted. And also if the clan give you a bonus medal, then you will have a number of medals to get your village max very soon. Now again we are saying that if you are purchasing builder person from CWL medals, then it will give a great value for you. And also you can purchase hammer of buildings, hammer of fighting, etc. Now the important things is, if you have the gold pass, then you can get your ID max very soon, because in the gold pass you can get a rune of gold, rune of elixir, book of buildings, and many things that can help you in making your village max. And also you can get 20% of resources boost and your buildings boost. So all the things will cost 20% less than a normal player. But for free to players and also for the students, it is hard to purchase gold pass, but you can try a gold pass giveaway. You can participate in gold pass giveaway by a different YouTuber. Also you can play some tournaments which will happen on Discord, and from these things you can have some monies from there. And also I don't recommend any playing applications, but you can try some stock marketing and other things, work from home, then you can earn some money from there to purchase a gold pass. So how to utilize gold pass very nicely? First things is, whenever you are going to purchase gold pass, then make sure to purchase in the beginning of the starting season, so that you can get a good value from there. So for the loot, you can try super goblin attack strategy with wall breaker, super wall breaker. Then you can take some of the outside resources, gold, elixirs, and many things from there. And if you are dropping your league to the gold league, then make sure to push your league again by using electro dragon strategy. And whenever you reach again in titan, again you drop your trophy, and again if you have the less number of trophy, then again you started pushing. So do that things and you can get some good number of loot. And the best league for the loot is master league and also in crystal league. You can also play revenge. Whenever your opponent hit on your base, you will get a good number of trophies and good number of loot when you get revenge to them. And whenever you are purchasing gold pass, make sure to purchase different magical items like resource portions and training portions and many things, so that you can play number of times to make your village max. If you give a good number of time for the Clash of Clans, then definitely your ID will max very soon for the gold pass player. And also for the free to players, you can also play a lot of time in the game having some loot attack by a super goblin attack strategy, then definitely your ID will also get max soon. But if you compare with free to players and gold pass player, how much is time to take a village max, then if the player will purchase gold pass, it will take 2 months or 3 months. In the same town hall, free to players will take maybe 5 or 6 months to make the village max. So definitely for the gold pass player, it will have a lot to make the village very max soon. And definitely if you are in our channel, then we will conduct different tournament in the month, so make sure to participate in our tournament also, so that you can earn gold pass from there. So definitely if your ID is max, then your fun in the game will obviously increase. In the Supercell store of Clash of Clans, you may have some gems reward on there, so make sure to follow on their website also to get some gems on there. And how many gems you have in the Clash of Clans, please don't forget to comment here in this video. The person who will have the maximum number of gem, I will definitely pin his comment of this video. And if you are new to my channel, then please don't forget to subscribe. And if you love this video, then please don't forget to give a like button. So see you in next video. Take care, have a good day, bye bye, keep clashing on.